Hey friends, the shell infrastructure host is associated with display on your system, and a lot of people are asking why is it running on your PC. So here's the thing, it is a normal process and you cannot even stop it. I mean, you can kill the process from the task manager, but I strongly advise against this. Now here's what I suggest. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and click on Windows Update and update it to the latest version. Keep on updating it to the latest version so that these high CPU usage issues don't occur. And let us say that we had opened the Photos app and it was causing high CPU usage. So in that case, you can search for Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Do not kill the shell infrastructure host process. Kill the Photos app. Right click on it and end task. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.